Hello children, how are you all? I hope everyone are fine. So already I have started English grammar for you. So in that I have done for you, that is the first part, parts of speech already completed for you. The B part is you have adjective and degrees of comparison. So also you have studied in the previous class also. I am just going to explain you for this now. So as you know, adjective is a describing word. Adjective is a describing word. It describes what it describes, the quality, the quantity, conditions or number of nouns. It is telling about the noun. It is telling about the what adjective is telling you something about the noun. For example, if I say she is a beautiful girl. So girl is what noun. Girl is what noun. So she is pronoun there. So here you can see it is what adjective is describing noun and pronoun both. Noun and pronoun both here. So here what I have written, see, she is a beautiful. She is a beautiful girl. Beautiful girl. So I told you it is a describing word. So you how we describe adjective as quantity, condition, quality and number of nouns also. So here, so beautiful is what a describing word, that it is an adjective. So girl is a noun. This is an adjective. This is the noun and this is the pronoun. So here adjective is describing both noun and pronoun. Noun and pronoun. So what is adjective here? So here I told she is a beautiful girl. So she is the pronoun and girl is noun and beautiful is adjective. So next you have like noun. So you have to, now I am explaining noun. Kamal is noun. So he is a good dancer. That is good is adjective and here the dancer is also noun for you. So understood children, you have any doubt? So this is what adjective is a describing word. So I have many words here. Beautiful, thick, brave. These are all what the words are used in adjective for describing a person, place or thing, anything. Okay children. Next we have the degrees of comparison. Comparison of adjectives here. So how will you compare a person here? Compare things of anything here. So there it is described as 3 degrees of comparison. So here you have comparison of the anything, that is 3 comparison you can do. Comparison, the 3 degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison. So the adjective happy is, for example, the adjective happy is the positive. So how many degrees are there? First we see. First is positive degree. How many degrees are there? There are 3 degrees. So how many degrees? 3 degrees are there. Positive degree. So next is comparative degree. Comparative and superlative degree. SUPERLATIVE. Superlative degree. So here you have now how many degrees are there? See, 3 degrees of comparisons are there. First one positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. So by giving example, I will explain you how you can form these 3 degrees also. So here, for example, so first is positive degree. So here comparative degree. Here you have superlative degree. So here, how will you write this one? So how will you write this one? For example, happy. First one, happy. So here, see, the adjective happy is in the positive form. So happy is in which? Positive form. Next, comparative, that is comparative degree, happier. 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 Then how will you write superlative degree here? Superlative happiest. 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 So here, happier, the happy is what? Positive degree. Happy is positive degree and that is happier is comparative degree. Happiest is superlative degree. So here comparative degree, it is comparing between 2 things. It is comparing between 2 things. So here it is comparing between positive degree and comparative degree. In superlative degree you have highest amount more, that is it is comparing 2 also. 2 superlative degree children. So we have many other examples also. For example, so here usually the comparative is formed by using adding er or r. So in comparative degree, in positive degree, we will be having like it is an adjective here. Happy is an adjective. So they give you one adjective. So you have to write comparative and superlative for this. That is the positive degree. So you have to give the answer for positive degree. But how you give answer? By giving the comparative degree and superlative degree, you get the answer. So most of the comparative degree is used by adding, that is er or r. So you can write by using er or r. So here in superlative degree you will get est. You will add est. What you will add? est. So here see, the superlative degree is adding by est or st. You add what? For the, that is for the adjective. What do you add in comparative degree? You add er or r. In the superlative degree you add est or st for the, to get what? Superlative degree. So in this way you can write that is the comparison of degree. So you have positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. So I have shown you example also how to write. So next you have, in the case of adjective with two or more comparative or superlative degree, by adding more. So you in a certain you have many other ways also. So you can add, for example, you have beautiful, beautiful. So how will you, this is an adjective. What beautiful is an adjective. How will you write for comparative and superlative degree? So you can you will not write beautifuler, you don't write beautifulest. So how will you write? How will you describe beautiful? So how you are going to describe beautiful? That is comparative degree and superlative degree, you add more beautiful. More beautiful. And for superlative degree you add most beautiful. Most, that is beautiful. Okay children? So while writing you don't get confused. So how to use, you should know that. How to use, you should know that. So the next you have the exercises children. So exercise 1 or 2 I will be doing for you and others you have to do by yourself. Did you understand this children? I explained you the degrees of comparison here. We have 3 types of that is 3 degrees here: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. So I have showed you how to write. This is an adjective. So how will you write the 2 other forms of adjective? That is by writing the comparative degree and superlative degree. You can write happy is adjective, happier and happiest. That is happier is comparative degree and that is superlative degree is happiest. Okay children, did you understand? Okay, next we will go for the exercises. Now that is the exercises page number, move on to the page number 8. So here, fill in the blanks by rearranging the adjective given in the bracket in the correct order. So already they have given in the bracket, for each one they have given the bracket. So you have to write properly in the, that is in the order you have to write. So first one I will for you. First one, we had dash food for dinner. So you should use this 3 options also in one line. 3 options also you have to include in one, that is the sentence. So how will you use it? It is, see first one I will do for you. We had hot delicious Chinese food for dinner. So delicious, hot and Chinese. 3 words are also given in the bracket. You should not select one. You should write 3 also in orderly. You have to write orderly in one sentence. You used to use arrange these words orderly in the sentence. That is
3 words also adjectives.
3 words also you have to arrange.
Adjectives.
Arrange in this sentence. So here the first one, they are given in the bracket 3 adjectives they are given. So you have to use this 3 adjective also in orderly. You have to use that in the sentence. So first one is, we had hot delicious Chinese food for dinner. Okay children, next second one, we have bought a dash of sofa. They have given 3 adjectives there: new, leather, fancy. So how did you use there? We have bought a new fancy leather sofa. We bought a new fancy leather sofa. Okay children, 2 I have done. Try to do next to yourself. The next one, just you have to identify adjective and classify them into quality, quantity and numbers. So how will you show that? So here, few people come to party. Few people come to party. Underline few there, and you have to write few is quantity. Few is quantity there. It is an adjective of quantity. So it is what? Few is adjective of quantity. The next, some rice is left in the refrigerator. So some is the also quantity. Some adjective of quantity. In the starting only I told you it describes what? The adjective describes quality, quantity and number. Quality, quantity, condition and number. So here first one is few, that is the adjective of quantity. Some, second one is some, underline some there and write adjective of quantity. Next, Arnab loves to watch horror movies. So here loves is a quality, adjective of quality. Next, there isn't much book in the library. Much, you have to underline much, it is adjective of quantity, adjective of quantity. Okay children, I have done 4 also. First one is few, underline few and write adjective of quantity, some, adjective of quantity. Next, Arnab loves too much horror movies, adjective of quality. There isn't much book in the library, adjective of quantity. Okay children, next, that is the C main. Give the comparative and superlative degree of these the adjectives for years. See first one, they have already, I'll show you how to write this one. So here, this is, that is super, positive degree they have given you. That is the adjective already they have given you. Sad. So how will you write sad? Sadder, S-A-D-D-E-R, S-A-D-D-E-R, sadder, saddest, S-A-D-D-E-S-T, saddest. Okay, how you are writing? Sad, sadder, saddest. So this is the adjective and this is comparative degree and this is superlative degree. Okay, next you have hot, hotter, hottest, cold, colder, coldest. So late, next much. More, much, so your most, you have to write most and more for that. Most and more. So others try to write yourself children. First one I have done for you, sad, sadder, saddest, hot, hotter, hottest, cold, colder, coldest. So, okay children, last main in your exercise, that is D main. Fill in the blanks with the missing adjective of comparison. That is, they have given positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. So they have given like fill in the blanks. So the first one is sorrowful. So here, see sorrowful, more sorrowful. For comparative degree you have to write more sorrowful, most sorrowful. Sorrowful, more sorrowful, most sorrowful. Next, little. See little, they have not given, they have given lesser. So this is the blank for you. So you have to write in that place little, least, little, least. So less is also already they have given there. Next one, wicked, W-I-C-K-E-D, wicked. What do they have given? More wicked, most wicked. More wicked and most wicked. So already they have given more wicked. So you have to write most wicked. The next two you have to do yourself children. I hope so you have understood this, that is the adjective and comparison of degree. So try to see this video again and again. So next I will be doing articles and their correct use.